Di ba malain at napili kayo ng judges?
Dito naman tayo. Wait ako. Okay ka na? Kamusta ka?
Okay ka na ba? Oo. Kaya ko yan ha. Kung ano man na mangyari sa, baka kasi magalit ka.
Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
I'm relaxed. I'm very comfortable here. Win or lose, I think we all deserve this.
Ikaw naman, anong gagawin niyo pag nanalo kayo?
Kakain mo. Kasi talaga nagdala for this competition kasi gusto namin magbigay yung best namin for today's celebration. Not only dahil sports festival, dahil it's a golden year to celebrate mo.
Yeah, of course. Yung pinag-prepare sila.
Ang sarap nga naman kumain kung nag-diet ka ng isang buwan, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Ako rin kakain ako.
Dito naman tayo.
Ikaw naman, anong feeling nyo? Are you feeling confident?
Feeling confident and we're hungry actually.
Hungry, no?
Pero nagte-tennis talaga kayo.
I do a lot of sports actually, like pickleball, tennis area. Quite active.
Sa pickleball, hindi ka din sila, no?
Ano siya, sporty.
Sporty.
Ikaw, anong workout mo?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. I love it. Ang hirap ng volleyball din,
Oo naman, mahirap yun.
Anong gagawin nyo pag nanalo naman kayo?
Matutulog, number one. Number two, I'm gonna celebrate it through the people who supported me today. Without them, like I'm not here. So really, I'm gonna celebrate it with them.
Okay? Yun din yung sagot nyo. Anong gagawin nyo pag nanalo kayo?
Ako is kakain at magpapakain.
Wow! Kakain at magpapakain. So kayo may sagot ng treat sa inyo, ha? Ipinangako nyo na yan sa yellow team. Okay, sige.
Sana naman kasi sa...
Oo, kasi ba kayo kakain? Invite nyo naman kami dyan.
Thank you.
Kayo naman, oh, si Jesus! Diyos ko, Jesus! How are you feeling? Are you feeling confident?
Yes, at humahangin.
Hungry na rin?
Humahangin kasi Jesus live.
Mahangin kasi Jesus lang. Ikaw naman, komedyante ka rin pala.
Grabe din mo siya. Ikaw, anong pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Okay na, nakasasunod na ako yung tsaka na-enjoy ko yung buhay.
Yun, ang importante, hindi mababayaran yun eh. Yung experience and enjoyment to represent your team and to experience this kind of competition. Pag nanalo ka, anong gagawin mo mamaya?
2 days na ako walang tulog, girl.
2 days na lang siyang walang tulog.
Bakit kaya?
Kasi isa siyang zombie. Hindi siya natutulog. Oo.
Ikaw nakatulog ka naman.
Konti lang yung tulog ko, pero mamaya, magpapasahin ako.
Magpapasahin ka. Sa face, ha? Okay, check. O magpahinga ka mamaya, ha? Okay, galingan mo. Kayo naman, anong gagawin niyo pag nanalo kayo?
Natutulog din siya.
Matutulog din? Kawawa naman sila, wala silang tulog.
Alam mo, partner, gano'n ang level of dedication ng ating mga contestants. They didn't sleep in preparing for today.
You also, you did not sleep.
I sleep well.
Pero in fairness, mukha kang puyat. Charot lang. Kayo naman, joke lang. Hindi ka puyat kasi ang daming pinagpaguran to be in the
Yes,
competition.
talagang kulot ka. Okay.
At isa katulog siya. Di ba? Buti ka pa. Puyat din kami, hello.
Thank you very much.
Ito naman. Sa tingin mo ba pagsisisihan mo yung pagpapaputol mo ng bangs?
No.
Why?
Because I believe it is what will make me the next golden era, Miss BDO.
Yeah.
So pag hindi ka nanalo, magkita tayo dun sa labas, ha? Gugupitin ko yan mas maikli. Akala Estrada pala ang big.
Daniel Padilla.
Kyla Estrada and Daniel Padilla.
Canadian version.
Ha?
Canadian version.
Canadian version. Tama. So what are you going to do when you win this competition?
I-reveal ko yung baon kong English dahil nakubos sa partner ko. Kanina ko pa tinatranslate sa kanya lahat ng mga jokes.
Okay. Don't you worry, I will translate translate everything for you.
Okay, go partner.
Okay? What are you going to do when you win this competition?
You know, they say nothing is for sure, but that's taxes. But today, I know for sure, I'm gonna go to land check after this. So thank you very much. Oh, ano daw?
Hindi ko na alam, hindi ka na lang. Galing niya mag-English. Nag-nosebleed ako, grabe. Okay.
Alright, ladies and gents, in our hands are the results. But we will first call on our
Tawagin po muna natin ang ating mga minamahal na BDO executives para tulungan po tayo sa ating awarding ceremony. We have Ms. Gwen and Tao, our VP and Head of Controllership Group. Kasama rin po natin si
Sir Manny Malabanan, Senior VP and Head of Trust and Investments.
Sir Charles Rodriguez, Executive Vice President and Head of Institutional Banking Group.
Of course, we also have Sir Rene Morta, Senior VP for Information Technology Group.
Kasama rin po natin si Ma'am Gina Galita, Senior Vice President and Head of Contact Center under the Enterprise Services Group.
At syempre ang ating mga kumata din, Wayne Alba, Isabel T. and Jason Go. Dito sila, we'll call them in front as well. Para tulungan tayo mag-abot ng mga awards.
Okay, ang una pong i-announce natin ay ang Golden Era King and Queen. Okay? Huwacho, ay hindi, ako muna, Golden Era King. Ako po ang magbabasa niyan. And the next winner is our Golden Era Queen na si Juancho po ang mag-a-announce. Oh, and you will step forward para po sa ating awarding ceremony.
Alright, you can go first, partner.
Congratulations to our Golden Era King garnering an average score of 93.67%. Congratulations to Austin Leon of Blue Blazers!
Congratulations to Austin. From the Blue Blazers.
Again, congratulations to Mr. Austin Leong from Blue Blazers. I'm so proud of you.
May message ka ba kay Austin?
We'll talk later. Just one. Joke lang, joke lang. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Austin. You may now proceed right over there.
Alright.
Are about to call the Golden Era Queen.
Naku, sino ka naman nanalo?
Okay, guys, listen up. The Golden Era Queen with a total score of 94.33 from